Hi guys, welcome back again in today's beautiful video. Love, what are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great, right? So guys, today I have come to share with you a very quick, interesting topic. It's another new week, and it's also Sunday afternoon. So I am here to share with you a very quick and interesting recipe, and I want you to pay attention to what I am going to teach right now. So, if you are interested to know what I'm going to teach, then keep on watching. But before I go into that video, I want to use this amazing um, privilege to thank all my returning subscribers for always coming back to watch my videos. May God Almighty bless you all. And to those of you who are just joining my channel for the very first time, today is your first time of seeing my face, you're highly welcome. My name is Ano Amaka. So in this channel, in this place, we teach you how you can use natural things to solve some of your spiritual problems by the special grace of God. So guys, today we are going to be talking about how you can use alligator pepper. How you can use alligator pepper to know the place where your enemies has put your name into, to know whether your name is in evil calabash or in the coven or in any diabolic place at all. For example, if you are doing business for a very long time, you're into business, and all of a sudden you started experiencing um, disappointment in your business, low sales, things begin to change upside down. I mean, a whole lot of bad things has been happening in your business. One, your family is not growing, like there's no peace in your family. Two, your business is not moving well. It is not moving well the way it's supposed to be. Secondly, you are a lady here, you're a man here, you are up to the age of marriage, you are not yet married. Each time you want to try your luck, what you always get is disappointment, and you are confused. You don't know what is responsible for that. In fact, you don't know what is happening within you, but you can feel it. You can have this feeling that yes, something negative is around you, and you want to know what that thing is. You want to know who is responsible for it, whether it's human being or a spirit. All right, whether your enemies has captured your happiness or your blessings, your breakthrough, your favor. You want to know about that, and you don't know how you can go about it. You have done so many spiritual consultation, and you always ended it up with different answers, different revelation. You are even confused, you are tired. In fact, you are entirely tired of the whole thing. You don't know what to do. Now I am here to tell you how you can use this alligator pepper. A lot of people don't know the meaning of alligator pepper. A lot of people are just using alligator pepper without knowing the works of alligator pepper, what it can stand in your life, and how you can make proper use of it. All right. So I am here to tell you how you can use this alligator pepper to do what? To know whether your enemies put you in a bottle, evil bottle, or in a calabash, evil calabash, or an evil pot. I made a video on how to remove yourself from an evil pot. If after doing that, by the time you are done doing this, and you find out that you are in evil pot, now you have to watch that video to follow the process in which I told you guys to follow in removing yourself in evil pot. So whichever one that you find yourself after doing this, if you cannot find the video of your solution after doing this, please let me know on my WhatsApp, which is 090 59825779. I'm still going to drop my WhatsApp number on the screen. So in case you find out that you are in the bottle, you find out you're in the evil calabash, or maybe they tied you or they nail you in the tree, or they bury your name under Oha tree. After doing this that I'm about to tell you, how you can find out the root of your problem, where they have, you know, you know, caged you. So to do that, all you need is one bund of alligator pepper. You need it like this. When you get it, hmm, when you get it, do not open it, do not do anything to it. If you really mean business for yourself, if you really want to know this, you must carry out this thing. After you must have gotten your alligator pepper, your organic alligator pepper, get the smaller size. There is this smaller size of alligator pepper. I like using that. Get the smaller size of that one. But whereby you cannot have access to that smaller size, that local one, you can also make use of any one that you see. But let it be in a bond like this. Okay? So to do that, all you have to do is get one bond of alligator pepper like this. Then you are to go to a river. You are to go to a river. But you're not going to enter that river. When you get to that river, by the side of the river, dig a ground. Those of us who are in Nigeria, who are in an African country, can easily find a river closer to them. Even if you are in overseas, there's always a small canal or source, something that you can actually perform this. So what you have to do is to use something to dig a little hole at the side of that river. And then you say a word, you hold this alligator pepper like this, and say a word that I want you that alligator pepper, you are a spirit. No one, no man or woman or even spirit itself can deceive you. You yourself, you are a spirit. Therefore, what I am going to do from today, after doing it, please review the cause of my problem. Review who is responsible to my predicament. After saying that, now bury it there and cover it. Now use something to 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 place where you bury, so that when you come next time, you can be able to identify that place. So you are going to allow that the other people to stay there for complete 7 days. Bury it just like that. Do not put it inside something. Just bury it. But you're not going to peel the bag. Sure, you know. Uh-huh. Then when you after burying it, then go home. Leave it there from that day that you buried it. Count 7 days. At the 7 days, come there and then do what? And bring it out. When you bring it out, when you are bringing it out, avoid using this hand to touch it. Just touch it like this, okay? But let this hand not touch, so that it will not spoil, or the purpose of which we are going to use it to do will not be defied, okay? So you use this your hand, avoiding this hand, as do not forget, avoid this hand, okay? Then use it to do what? To go back to your house. When you get to your house, okay, that night that you get to your house, that day that you brought it up from the ground, that night when you are sleeping, now open it and take only four. Four signifies Ori Afo Nkwo Ege, west, north, south, east. Okay, so now bring four of the alligator pepper. One, two, three, four, the fourth seed, and then say the same word that you said when you were burying it, and then put it under your pillow. Put it under your pillow. Put it under your pillow. Put it under your pillow, and then you sleep over it. Let me tell you, you are going to be seeing something. You will see something that you will never on this earth believe that is what is happening in your life. And you will know that people are wicked. And you will know that some people can go extra length just to cut their fellow human being pain. All right? For the first day, any dream that you dreamed, write it down. Try to recollect. This process will also make you to always remember your dream. In case you are the type that you dream, you don't always remember your dream. In fact, you don't dream at all. This will bring that memory back by the special grace of God. It's not only to know where they have captured you. All right? So the second day, do it again. Any dream, anything, revelation, don't write it. And when you are done writing it, when you are done, In fact, you are going to be saying it. Then the one that you did not understand, bring it to me. Bring it to my personal WhatsApp. I mean, my business WhatsApp. Bring it to me. And I will explain to you and I will tell you what it is. But you are going to see your kuro eyes, what they have done. You are going to see kuro eyes, what they have done. So it's a very simple task. Very simple, but very powerful. So guys, I hope you have learned one or two things on this video. Please carry it out and get back to me. All right. Now, but before I go off, I have a fashion flusher. This flusher, your waist is paining you, your ankles is paining you, your back. In fact, you don't know what is happening in your stomach. When you wake up from the sleep early in the morning, you'll be hearing like warm and walking up and down. You are feeling scratching. In fact, get this infection flusher. Okay? This cures pain, instant pain relief. It flushes out any yama yama out from your body, and it's pretty affordable. So we can ship anywhere in the world. Do not say because you're in Hong Kong, you cannot get it. So we also have other products. We also have this alligator pepper that you can buy and then do this recipe. So guys, that is just the end of this video for today. My WhatsApp class is ongoing. You can as well join us. You can join by registering with 3,000 naira. And to join, all you have to do is to chat on this number 090 59825779 090 59825779. Thank you guys for watching. Please, after watching this video, like it for me. Leave your comment in the comment section and also remember to share this video. See you on my next video. Do have a lovely afternoon. Bye.